come out and do the needful. Come out and vote in whom you think will make the change we want. If you don't come out to vote on February 25, 2023, you have no one to blame except yourself.
Yes.
First, our demand for Biafra. To those who are demanding for a separate country called Biafra, don't forget that your fathers and your grandfathers had demanded and fought to have that same Biafra roughly 50 years ago, including myself. Millions died in action and out of sheer starvation. Some of us here participated in that bloody war, as I said, including myself and the general here. Some of you joined as teenage soldiers. And including those who are there. I remember one. I asked one of the generals from Ebonyi, a tiny-looking general.
Yes.
But he fought as a baby Biafra through extreme activism. What made you believe so? That war was fought with guns and armored tanks, airplanes, fighters, etc. We must think strategically this time in determining how to structure the future for our people, for our children and our grandchildren. It calls for strategic thinking. Yes, you may say that it is your fundamental human right to demand separate existence. Yes, I agree. But the quest for separate existence is not restricted to Nigeria alone. In Britain, for instance, Scotland, which is part of that country, is seeking a separate existence. But not by fighting or sitting at home. So also is the case with Spain, where Barcelona is demanding self-existence from Spain. They are not asking for to see it. They are not under sit at home. No. None of them is demanding by killing and by maiming themselves. No. They are fellow human beings. That's not the way to do it. They do it by participating actively in their country's general election. Not by saying that we won't go for election. Anytime there's general election in Britain, Scotland will vote. Voting their own men and women to fight their cause. That's what we want. Not demanding that you won't vote. You won't take part in voting. You are stabbing yourself by doing so. There are both candidates that will be their voice in their parliament, where they argue their cases and push it via a referendum to decide which way to go. Why not borrow a leaf from them and pursue your demands in a civilized manner. You can never, no way can you ever get Biafra through violence and through slaughtering yourselves and sitting at home when parents should be at work and the children should be in school. You are sitting at home Monday. That system makes the world look on you as both unserious or at best immature. Let us go the way of the wise. The best chance we have since independence in October 1960. Since October 1, 1960, this is the best chance of Southeast to produce a president in Nigeria. Both the North, the East, the West, Southwest, South-South, Middle Belt, all of them have come to accept that our son, Peter Obi, is the best one out of the lot. Of all the candidates campaigning for votes to win the presidential election on 25th February, any Igbo thinking otherwise or standing or sitting on the fence may be of doubtful genealogy.
Yes.
And needs to submit oneself to DNA for proper proof. We request that you come out and be part of the history to put in Peter Obi and Daddy Ahmed to take the mantle of leadership. We need your vote, not your bullets. In a democracy, your vote is your weapon, not bullet. Or sit at home. Peter Obi is a primus inter pares. Number one among others. You use your vote to get what you want. Let's use our vote and get it in.
Yes.
Only your votes will make the president we need. Not your bullets or sit at home.
Yes.
You vote in the person you want, you trust, will help you get what, who, or what you want. You vote in the person who is sympathetic to your cause. Let us move en masse and cast our votes to Labour's Liberty Box on 25th of February. Your vote works better than the bullet from the gun. It is better you are alive to achieve your desire in peace. Best way to achieve a purpose is by use of your vote. The peace you achieve with bullets from the gun is the peace of the graveyard. and your vote does a better job than the bullet from the barrel of a gun. If you fail to come and vote, you perpetuate your problems. And your defenders will mock you. And you have to wait on the next 4 years. If you are alive, then. If you don't vote, those you regard as your oppressors who have denied you your rights will be voted in again, and you continue to grumble. Your one vote can change the fortune of this great country. Let your vote speak eloquently that Nigeria today needs to be that presidency. Thank you very much.